Everybody's showing up, man. You ready for this cattle call?
Not another one of these, man.
Gotta do it again, man. It's another Saturday night.
It's more money in the pocket.
Gotta have the money.
Drinks all around.
Oi, oi. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Come on. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. You're gonna be great. Yeah, come on.
Get it.
Yeah.
Get it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Miss Day requires 2 feet of personal space at all times. Thank you. Excuse me? Oh, Miss Day does not like to be touched by small children. Thank you.
Attention. Attention, people. Do I have everyone's resumes and glossies? We're going to begin. I am Francine, the AD, and our show's director is Mr. Francis Harper Bloom. So please turn your attention to him.
I trust you have all seen the script, so I will detail the character and the scene so you'll know what I need here. The role is open to being cast as either a female or a male. The scene you are auditioning for is set in Gretchen's living room, and Gretchen has just returned from Paris to find your dead body on her floor. You were a long-time confidant of Gretchen's, and though you were very close, you hold many dark and dangerous secrets about Gretchen. Now, you are to give me a performance so convincing that the audience will be able to relate on a deeply personal level to the mixture of shock, sadness, and yet relief that Gretchen will experience upon the discovery of your cold, expired body in her domicile.
Mr. Adam Catlin.
Adam, tell me about yourself.
I studied theater and improv at the San Diego School of Arts for 6 years. And then, for the winter run, I played Rodrigo for Pancho Goldstein's production of Othello Gets Gangsta. Then I was the understudy for Marlon Brando in the musical stage production of his biography, The Only Contender. And I was also a member of the chorus line for San Dimas's theater production of White Lemmings Can Jump.
Interesting. Perform. My, that was exquisitely uninspiring. Next.
Miss Charlene Costin.
Okay, Charlene, tell me about you.
Well, I played Shelby in Portland's Summer Stock Theater production of Steel Magnolias. And then for the last 3 summers now, I spent spring break down in Fort Lauderdale, where I played Belle in Pussycat Theater's production of Beauty and the Berest. And then on film, I played the naughty cop on the TV pilot of Up Against the Wall Street. And then finally, you can see me on TV as the lead dancing tortilla chip in Julio's restaurant-style tortilla chips commercial.
Uh-huh. Okay. Perform. I certainly hope you weren't that soggy as a tortilla chip. Next.
Miss Blaine Wilder.
Just Blaine is fine.
Okay, Blaine. Speak.
I played Peter Pan.
Of course you did.
in my high school's reproduction of Peter Pan, and in the musical stage adaptation of Monty Python's Life of Brian at the Astoria Pizza Hut Dinner Theater, I played Brian's mother. And also, I played a variety of dancing vegetables in the Oakland Vegan Palace's Never Eat Anything with a Face. And I am currently working on the Beaverton Street Improv Troupe's production of Portlandia Lies.
None of which surprises me. Perform. Thank you. That is sure to increase the population of people with PTSD and bedwetting in the audience. Next.
Miss Ophelia Day.
I attended Juilliard.
Juilliard? Really?
No. Julie's art and dance preparatory school in Stockton, California. I wrote, produced, directed, and starred in a one-woman play. The play, My Little Chucky. Charles Manson's mother speaks out. On film, I was cast as a sperm in Woody Allen's Everything You Always Wanted to Know About Sex. For 4 years, I was the choreographer of Eugene's Broadway on a budget production of Marvin Gaye's musical review titled Keep It Gay. Line. Oh, right. For the last season of its run, I played Martha Stewart in Jailhouse Rock, a celebrity celebration. And for the last 6 years, I've been teaching klezmer clarinet and working on a screenplay for Hollywood entitled I'm Sorry You Can't Be Me, the Ophelia Furidae story.
Am I the only person who's a little frightened right now? Perform! Oh my God, the most perfect impersonation of a beached flounder ever. Call those people at that zombie TV show and tell them we have a fresh over-actor here for them. Next! Oh please, merciful God, next!
Miss Carrie Samples.
Hi. Hi. I have done several theatrical performances, some televised TV work, lots of different things.
What the hell was that? Lisa? Lisa, what's happening?
Make a hole! Make a hole!
So sorry.
Mr. Bloom, Jeff, he's dead.
I'll call 911.
No, wait. This is it.
What?
This is it. Now this is it. Finally, the performance I've been looking for. Finally, someone gets it. Finally, someone understands acting. He's so real, so subtle, so dead. I'd only hoped for a Bruce Willis, but what I got was Clive Owen.
Francis, did you get your medication refilled? You can't seriously be considering...
Francine, I absolutely have to have this man in my show.
But he's dead. And he's not even the right union. He's a stagehand, not an actor. and he's going to start to stink eventually.
Crap. Someone has to fix this. I must have this guy in my show. Where's the technical director?
Get out, dudes.
The Stagehands Union has been called. Jeff's balance of dues was transferred over to Actors Equity. They will have his membership card here before the end of office hours tomorrow. His wife has been called to say he will be late for dinner. The local cold stores will be delivering 375.6 pounds of crushed ice tonight. And the pastor from the church up the street will be here to deliver a short eulogy during dinner break. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's make some magic. Oh, and who wants to be stage manager?
Honey, have you seen my... Oh, there they are.